Hey guys, welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the health functionality for your character. Let's get into it. Start off by opening up our third-person blueprint, third-person character. In here, where it says variables on the left-hand side, we're going to add one, create a new variable, call it health. Over here, on the right-hand side, under variable type, we're going to change it from a boolean to a float. We're going to compile. Now we can come in here and give it a value. So we'll just do 1, and that will be 1 equal to 100%. So we'll close that. In here now, I'm going to right click, go to user interface, create a widget blueprint. I'm going to call this HUD. Open that up. And we're going to drag in a progress bar, shape that however you like. I'm going to position it down here. We're going to anchor it to the bottom corner, compile. Now if we scroll down where it says progress and percent, if we play around with this, you can see it fill up. So you remember we made our health value 1.0, so that's full. So if it was 0.5 for example, that's 50% health. So if we go to here to bind, we can create a binding, make some space here. We're going to drag out from here and cast to third person character. From the object wildcard here, we're going to drag out get player character, as third person character, drag out get health, and then we're going to connect the health into the return value there. Now compile, save. Now when our player's health goes up and down, this should fill and unfill accordingly. So we can close that. Now to have that heads up display displayed on our screen, it's currently not, we're going to go back into the third person character, right click, search for event begin play. From here we're going to create a widget. In class, we're going to look for our HUD we made. We're going to drag out from our return value, add to viewport, compile, and now I'm going to press play. That'll be on our screen. And as you can see, it's full because our health is at 1. So if we change this to 0.5, compile, and then press play, you see it's only halfway full. So that's our health at 50%. So you can see that functionality is working there. You can play around with the health value here, change it to anything you want, 0.1, compile, it's only 10%, and you can see that's working. And that's about it for this one, guys. I will be making another video in the future showing how to make objects that will take away the player's health, but for now I think that's pretty much covered well enough. How to set up a simple heads up display, have your player health shown on the screen, create a simple variable, and have the variable change. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, remember leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.